Hi, beautiful and wonderful people. How are you doing? I hope you guys are doing beautifully well. Okay? Are you tired of coughing? Are you tired of having that annoying and disturbing mucus on your lungs, on your throats? Well, worry not because the solution is here. It is very simple. I'm going to share with you a tip on what you can do and how you can go about it and how you can get rid of that stubborn mucus. Okay, guys. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Please go ahead and subscribe, okay? Click on the red button and show your girls some love. Okay, guys. Well, it is very simple. The only thing that you can do is to get a ginger. It is simple, yeah, as easy as it sounds. It is very effective. Okay, just get a ginger and peel it and chew on it. Okay, yeah, some people would say I could get a ginger and put it in a drink and sip it. Well, it works too, but if you want a very quick and fast results, then it's better you chew on it. Okay, and some people will say, okay, I can chew on it and then I will throw away the shaft. Well, I would advise that you chew on it and you swallow the shaft as well. Okay, it's not a waste. The only thing is just for you to make sure that it is clean and the back is peeled. Okay, then you can chew on it and swallow both the ginger juice and also the shaft. Okay, it just doesn't help to get rid of the mucus, it also helps to take care of the lungs. Okay, so try this and you thank me later. Okay, so till I come your way again, do have a wonderful and amazing time ahead and remain blessed and bye.